a far indiscipline on roads, especially motorway. Motorway no
is it any
motorway a death trap. A complete death trap. Ahia na ebe kose highway for say illegal things na ewo hono ombe blocking. Because apart from the fact say Emma accidents ECC SSA kwan no so ka ho. Emma the revenue losses so na edeba because omo tires are no omo kon kodru bebia o se omutua tool no ansa no omo fa sa U10 no oman aspeni sika aye sa 18 exit in entry no to make it a bit comfortable for more 18 and 19 enti wonya akonya na se wudi wura motorway no ma at least no drive ya up till bebia tool no na dan wo ho almost am pentem no move fa earlier tense to avoid the main ten abibia also anipa no 10 ya provide ya necessary provisions I think that clearly uko a lot of the developed countries maybe a was dualized lanes and about the residential area you see walls be noise wall at the farm. I think we should begin to also look at that on our motorway. Better reduce those type of illegal crosses motorway. No so. Then the second one, when you are about security. Security no who nyawo beye etumi boa me meti hey. Nya honorable beye maybe ebeboa me nya meye insecurity no maybe ebeboa no. Because who name information would the mass security agencies in and maybe the next criminal or babeye honorable bibi and or babeye who bibi no yabechino. And the mama yen take the minimum personal security any observation of inyama air cost around us a bit serious. So any strange person in the area, in the locality, or say we are concerned about it. So how do you enter and taking it serious? You know, in the situation we find ourselves now, no, a idea I say then you're taking a bit more serious. Say what the community be now. Strange face you should be concerned and find out about or more around. Say so almost observe a similar thing and then you can up your security because
because me say in the murder of Cresato here no the police said to me a sketch of Nipa or yes in the name and how he looks like Eddie Ababe Tudja ain't what it tells me they say a man for be who need to me observe and I could describe it to the police or to me
one time me call US Virginia I like to walk say whether me nanti up and down. Within the next moment, then I saw a police car. Not knowing, say, obi strange face or you walk around into the signal the police.
Not a white neighborhood.
Oh no, yeah, we have quite a number of blacks also. Almost signal police, and then police came around. Even though Omo stopped me, they drove past me, went to the next turn, Omo teni biom, Omo chim. So we will be maybe who criminal intent. You will realize who police, you and it's because obiam on some signal. So yen take it serious. Look, conflicts are answer na conflict there will be some level of planning at the local levels, at the home levels. These are intelligence, the security persons, the security people, they are not nyamio. As a mutual officer now, Mokratica, no say, me pay the Udiboni, no, yes, they have been trained to be able to identify much more than ordinary persons. But any information now, Yedebema say, Saturday, you movement can't be by crew, can't around. It looks completely different from normal movement. We see draw the attention of the security to start looking because obianim possibly a terrorist attacker ebe kumobinu who information now with the bemano could help foil saadie not me wear the man. As for the last two, something maybe good. Okay. Make commend St. Martin's Hospital staff, and then I me buy a school or my friend say or yarima you didn't call hospital
St.
the way
Martin's.
St. Martin's Ewo Community 22 or Tema.
Okay.
Kwa mo faso I attended to Ayarifa Moko, a very excellent plan. I'm a memfa, a queen, a doctor, funny, a nurse, funny, all other persons are Omubwa Hospital, a Juma or Moyen or Then, last but not the least, and now Quakoye, Madame Charlotte or Saidi.
Yeah.
Or trendy or social media pa na sana nyamiye nadie. And it's like a Joseph in the making. Say ebi nia ye pon say oh we nya de ye mpel ye o say no na no knowing say a way of establishing you even higher. Na you doing say we just echo as a higher na maybe kra oben nam higher distance. Say ya ekwa na ye den okwa okonenim, and that is how nyamiye na de. And I don't know what go for bebre bekane. And I think America was not wrong when the embassy recognized her in November of 2016 as one of the most competent and hardworking women in charge of in charge of elections Africa. And I believe that recognition so people will be asking what happened. Is UN, are we right? And UN and all those institutions, ECOWAS, so is ECOWAS wrong? Is UN wrong? Is AU wrong? Are we right? But nyame eshrano no na we shrano we den esroa no beko enti I salute mameno pa ewo na minim say the sky enye ne limit. The sky no the platform or no what they call this in further and then beyond. So idea me feel say we nya sema mo kanu me so nya sema sana ya consem nanka. Of course last week Saturday me name honorable Asia on the platform. So and the birthday no so ye me bon and me bon strength me bon meeting.
And me for no dey omodoso me am production team member oteha Jackson in Tiamwana Enra the birthday.
Oh wow.
And belated happy birthday to him and to Honorable Andre Japamesa as well. Honorable Akwabana Otenen
Yabunia
Bibi Aboko
Adumara kwa studio hana mafia hakakra.
Yeah ba ya cha.
Mo ba ya cha. Jumezibi ni mukupwe baby kakra. Na last week so na maye de ekon bia do mabo mozna maba.
Okay.
But Jumezibi chumijina sekuni mamentume bodo ntam nso wafancham mincha inetiafu na
etifu jodo
afi won papa commitment ya de se Yakobon oye na adom na omen nkwa ajude bia ebene rabochi nkomode no or dam commitment is firm. But enyim the occasionally no issues bi baba ma yenkotumi amba yentuma amba wafanche na one koda one bumper man na yetumi abaka won ho ajude bia maybe they necessary the maso mad my voice to congratulatory messages dodo bebre on social media we congratulate Madam Charlotte Osei on her appointment to manage as part of a team Afghanistan for one election over in September.
And for the sake of a more NT, on Mrs. Charlotte Osei is expected to join a team of other UN-appointed election experts from around the world to provide the much-needed technical support, capacity building, and electoral best practice advice to the Elections Complaints Commission and the Independent Electoral Commission charged with delivering a peaceful democratic process and credible elections in Afghanistan. And that's the rule. UN are appointing some experts be around the world and on also needing a cajon.
But Obi, Moya Maroho, it's a lot of the commentary I take Kofi Adams. Obimu Wapaman na UN na ECOWAS why embracing. Why the BBI area politics? Why? Why? Why the BBI? Mami no egana ni. On Asempa FM. Say constitution no. If we don't believe in it, let's say so. As far as I'm concerned, on Asempa FM, Madame Charlotte Osei, she presided over an election that we won. I'm in a mutual petition in Murukwaya. No. The Constitution provides a processor. Say what problem? You follow. Yet, and this is fool. Why are we not doing there?
I wish there was a mirror in the studio so that Honorable will be looking at this face.
Oh, I can use my camera on my phone.
So that you will see your face.
No, I mean, on the pay, I was on GH1 with Mutala. I congratulate them into the studio and a message in the bay. Say, why me here ready? I commended her, congratulated her, of course, this is Ghanaian. Due processor. Constitutional spell it out. No? If we think it's wrong, let's take it out. When she was having the banter with Nankasanu co-commissioners, were we all not in this country? And you know, no be competition. President, the president did what was required in law. Every day you preach rule of law, rule of law, rule of law, but we don't believe in its practice.
So you need it because of banter.
I won't respond to that.
Focus.
I don't know. It doesn't help us as a people. Oh,
Mate, and I know for use mic instead. Yeah. Na Otanen. Bibi aboko.
Yamina dom bibi aboko.
Pre papa pre ko hu ya.
Party papa ejina ho pintin. Tutu yanyama ye. Aboko ye regional elections. Obia nyama fuma yesho. My weekend me kwa proud ma tiene kwa my week kaka cause weekend rest bi enyi da pede chase our first round Madam Charlotte.
Oh no just introductory comments now.
Me were horror stories with Madam Charlotte say me were horror stories it me kadina or invoke some very terrible things via FM as PPP. I one kasa I own investigator, I prosecutor, I adjudicator, the Holy Trinity in one. One kasa at now air conditioning office. I trap pronouncements. Then in in October 2016. Unya me share village to village, house to house, bed to bed. Yeah campaign. Now all of a sudden, we paying what's where you nephew. Hey, now film there baze. Yeah then what's the form will be? Form me I feel it from what CPP time. I fill the form. I mean, I'm here in charge of documentations. Now, to this date, all of a sudden, some famous Asedebia or pop up or two constituencies will be the White House. That marking yama. Cause substance of the case, crapo. Procedurally, beside Madam Charlotte said, may I just say 5 minutes? May I 5 minutes? Let's say. Ye chechuma e beta ase ono so twina mentwen na o ja faza ya rewa na ekudu demu no muna na obone pen na no pa ye kase nya obo pen na no pa where we are mama can na meka ho no si you call high court boom you finishing after I say judge no ruling so acted capriciously and violate the fundamental law of the authoring party. They will be said mean you be catch there say we are and you will be able can use as the basis so other manipa so hearing no so can affirm is natural law of natural justice ye kwayana wo mini na so ye me ye wo kra there ye wini case Friday me nda me wo constituency me victory tours na ze kwesida me kwa sorbe 18 Monday was at the meeting at Supreme Court mother ye truncate ye campaign ibio ono no destroy entin krofo kada na PPP ni adwende wo be yaade na wan yaade aya na pedam obi na enyu moment because na obi wa so me say bia nyina de agumachi de me fan kwo wa finish him na se moko na ya me na domokrapo metimenya 1 or 2 votes na fe de obi gina ho na okade oh we expect there but in October obi do drag it through court or destroy who following. In politics, one day can make all the difference. Yeah. Or destroy one hope. Don't broadcast money. Abuadzi each and itira. Mwaken wase. There. Working the grassroots. What finishing hard work and investments and into the processing. And tell me this thing. There's no love lost. We have. Because what we went through in 2016, Yamin could say I should be on high blood pressure pills. Or they can me take a pills. I should be on high blood pressure pills right now. What we went through. Normal person after investing everything into the process. It means that there's no love lost from PPP angle to Madam Charlotte or say what she did was unpardonable. It's against law of natural justice. On a court in the there you can't just sit there now for one name or two name into bang I destroy investments and empire for me na no for PPP. There's no love lost. I should be on blood pressure pills by now. Now it do be shame. Now it work on the field. Now it battle him there. I put to all your issues together. Now I your own investments. Now I call house to house, door to door. Now why him there PPP? So we came on the scene not too long and bringing people from the left and the right. Now kofai aya jizi wumu. Now it move. Then you have to abandon.
And then all of a sudden
all of this and then come to Accra to come and fight a court case. I don't think this is a joke matter or a serious matter. And to me, this thing is we boy that the objective.
Is the appointment when you on take anyway.
Case
Martin, I'm not for really attending, but my very good friend Elvis Darkon, who is editor of the Finder newspaper, comes through with this very interesting perspective. And I think it's something a lot of news portals. I don't know if Sena a mistake or say. He makes the point, say, I am yet to find any position as UN Electoral Commissioner. The UN always sends a team of experts to support election management bodies in all UN member countries during their elections. The miseducation on social media and some news portals that she has been made UN Electoral Commissioner is not helpful. The rush to get it first is leading to a lot of misinformation on new media now. And I think when you read a lot of the news portals, including My Joy Online, and we lead now, the United Nations has appointed Charlotte Osei as an international elections commissioner to Afghanistan as it prepares to hold crucial presidential polls in September. And I think the third Yes, it's as if the UN has a electoral commission. And I think that the third paragraph, it put in your mind in perspective. I say she's expected to join a team of other UN appointed elections experts from around the world. Kofi now can be here.
Describe them. It's a commission. When they put them together, it's a commission.
Yeah.
Every member is a commissioner.
Okay.
So you are describing that individual member as
a commissioner.
But it's a commission of experts who are going to advise. So the individual members and a commissioner.
A team, a commission, the same thing, like a team of elections experts. And a commission of elections experts. Which is which?
You can use both interchangeably.
Okay.
But then they are selected because some are experts in elections.
Of course, that's
they are experts in elections. But then they are individually. You describe them as commissioners. Because it's a commission that has been put together. And you say,
as electoral commissioner.
As electoral commissioner
okay.
For UN.
Okay.
Maybe that's the understanding.
That's the understanding. I think I want to be more twisted.
UN are appointed
as electoral
commissioner for UN permanently. No. For
Afghanistan elections.
If we have Afghanistan another elections, Bana say UN were interest. They will appoint or there's possibility to go and
okay.
One thing I want to add is that you see the mistake we mostly make say adieno maya, so we tend to ignore some details because every election sometimes you the CI ba na CI na ye de ba no e maniama kakra ye den esesa and this one hwe ni ye now we are just say the previous elections mia na me ye you are tempted to think that
say na ye no.
So I want to advise Omo and say, look, always take time and go through the CI, ebeboa, because some things can slightly change that may affect the process. It can slightly change that may affect the process.
I get you. Kofi Adams any attending Kano earlier Mate lawyer Andre Japa Mesa enka ena Nana Ofori ababeka yensa ewo studio ha we say all commissioner be commissioner. Samuel Brian Boabe. We say again, okay, this again from Elvis Darko of the Finder newspaper. Say, I'm happy that she's recognized as an expert to help other sister countries to organize their elections. It is not only her glory alone, but also a feather in the cap of Ghana. The more global organizations recognize the expertise of Ghanaians, it improves our reputation as a nation. Elvis, thank you. We say, Obi, permit me to use your medium this afternoon to congratulate Madame Charlotte Osei for her latest appointment by the UN. No doubt, Madame Charlotte has made us proud, as we are also proud of her. God Almighty.
PPP is not happy.
Osei.
PPP is not happy.
God Almighty continue to bless and guide her wherever she finds herself. Obi, you are aware the President has appointed former Western Regional Minister as Minister of State in the office of the in charge of NHIS again. And no, I'm yet to confirm that about. I'll try and confirm that for you before we end the program today.
Confirm.
Yeah, maybe. Why are we doing this to ourselves? By the way, is Edward Mahama ambassador at large? Interesting times ahead. My brother, yes, so he's still the ambassador at large. Alhaji Hamza Ewo Pig Farm. Tafa Inamrahia says, okay, let me see. I have a serious problem with the way police handled the Oduma Sikrobo issue. What was the level of provocation from the residents before the police opened fire and killed that innocent boy? Who social media described as a pure water seller. Nobody can convince me that the child was there to cause harm to anyone or damage any state property. So we are waiting to hear from the IGP what exactly happened before his men shot and killed that innocent boy. That's from Tafai Namra here. We say, Obi, please tell Kofi, Mrs. Charlotte's trending on social media is more on advice we are giving her, not to go and repeat what we... What's the name? Okay, and not go and repeat. We saw it, we liked it, and we chose it there. Farouk in Tema.
The UN have
assessed all that. Absolutely.
And among so many countries and so many experts.
Ekosi saying so was 94.7 FM. Don Pino in Malam says, Obi, I can only wish Charlotte well, but she should be mindful that Afghanistan they would not tolerate what she did here. But what did she do here?
PPP no tolerate.
Now say ABA all the parties will be fill one forms ni ye Good evening. Obi, I'm listening to you live from Fadama. Good show. I love the attention you've given to the Dunkwa Obuasi Road. Charles Ban Abuaje, maybe not friend Mosquito, Dunkwa on offend senior Akwaba, Accra to Accra. Good afternoon, Obi. Please ask Mr. Kofi Adams what type of measures did he and the NDC put in place just last 5 years? We can say a death trap, not him. I don't know. I mean, him say I will refer to a year. No, I think a motorway Kofi Ka say a death trap. No, okay. We say, okay. Obi, please, the NPP is doing great, but Ioko and SEC will send the NPP to opposition. Men's Gold, Global Coin Community Help, TCL, etc. will bring the NPP down. They will say it's not their fault, but no customer will vote for them. And also they are, or they are braying, and no. Okay, Ekosi saying so was 94.7 FM. Ma menana me hona muntie we ema me ba. Yes, shall according into the main issues anyway. Ewe Ekosi saying Jumedi no. Eso ya won sembebre na eka. Ba me kai won so say yen 2019 Ekosi saying National Dialogue Series no. Ya de bremo it on the 7th of June. 7th June 2019, 2 p.m. Pepepe, Basu Coconut Grove Regency Hotel here in Accra. Now, this time around, no, first one, Moreka share the free senior high school and how that policy can be sustained. And then share the National Health Insurance Scheme, the challenges, the prospect, the was a system. How do we sustain this scheme going forward? And the stakeholders need a band one roof. Now, if you are pension mo eka wo ho eka ni ho yetimi atria sign aka no ma be na wo se ye claims no ye managing sign everything about National Health Insurance Scheme you be home come on the day enti bus on the 7th of June e fiada 2 p.m. Pepe nyina ye share free in the Coconut Grove Regency Hotel. In Penyifo e ba be kasa wo ho ni bi Dr. Lydia Janiselbi, a CEO National Health Insurance Authority. Honorable Kweku Agyemang Mensah, Minister for Health and MP for Doma Central. Sylvester Mensah, a former CEO National Health Insurance Authority. Mr. Peter Yeboah, a Executive Director Emma Christian Health Association of Ghana. Dr. Bernard Okoboy, a Board Chairman Kolebu Teaching Hospital, MP Lejokuku constituency. Sounds so that the minority and the majority members on the Health Committee in Ghana's Parliament will be present. Afi Wonso Obeba, I will be moderating the program. And be moderating the Bomodin Bra. And the event is powered by the Joy FM Thought Leadership Team and Asempa 94.7 FM and proudly supported by the Coconut Grove Regency Hotel. Memories worth repeating. And the kind mark is our date on your diary. 7th June 2019. Na Shannon so MIA. Or Chanan so a Chief Biney birthday. Chief Biney, a national deputy organizer. Chief Biney and the boss. Akamba. Birthday the same. And the boss. Chief Biney and Joshua Kamba. Comrade Joshua Kamba. Happy birthday in advance to you. Na Yame Adumochna. Mama yin hu baby apart say we national officers
omo ya me genius enti me di kan wo me e na say omo de ko ewie
and the national officers me no there e was say
you say ade ne ye kese
national officers me there was say
kese say week be
yeah but see ani ato so edi nkomo e ko see saying so ni e wa Asempa FM. Stay with us.